everyone and welcome back. In the last episode, we talked about expansion. This time, let's talk about two things people care about the most. For installers, it's simplicity. For users, it's safety. STACK100 uses a rackless stackable design. There are no cables between modules, which means true plug-and-play installation. One cluster can be installed in around only 30 minutes. Less wiring, less risk, less time on site. And when installation is simpler, everything else gets better, from reliability to long-term maintenance. Safety is built into the system. STACK100 comes with an intelligent fire extinguisher system, capable of detecting and responding to issues within only 5 seconds. It also operates reliably from -20 degrees to 55 degrees. So whether it's winter or summer, the system stays dependable. There is also a practical detail many people appreciate. Models can be mixed freely within 3 years, making maintenance easier and extending the overall system life cycle. A good energy system shouldn't create an extra work, and it definitely shouldn't create an extra worry. STACK100 is built to fit into real life, quiet, reliably, and ready what's next. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.